Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're looking at a daily chart of the ES, and I had this rectangle up and this price level up from my subscriber webcast last night. And, basically the point I'm trying to make is this. The bulls continue to try to take out the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band. They failed yet again, and as we speak, they are trying. Over time, the odds become in their favor that they can break through simply because the bears just will not let price separate from that band. The dip buyers come in, and they continue to push it back up, and the green line is fairly steady resistance. At least it has been since June the 4th. The box is just representing the fact that price, especially on a closing basis, price has been completely devoid of the upper half of the bands. And essentially, it's except for a couple ticks up above, and our high today is 39.5. It's been pretty non-existent. And if you take this back a ways, you'll be hard-pressed to find in the last year to year and a half where prices really lived below the band. And that's a feather in the bear's cap. But I'll say this. This line down here, 1596.5. Low, tested. If we get back there, the bears need to win that line. They need to break through it on a closing basis, and they need to extend it, because in backing out, you can see if price gets through 96.5 on a closing basis, then the chart really, just about any technician will tell you whatever metric there is, whatever metric they use, whatever their tools are, we've rolled over at that point. But for now, you've got a series of higher lows, I should say here, 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 and here, and here by a handle. Okay, although these are very short succession. So both camps have serious work to do, and it's important work. The bulls have got to get over the middle band and stay there. The bears have to stop letting price migrate back to the middle band, and if they do get another push below, whether it's on Bernanke tomorrow, although I think whatever comes out of his mouth is absolutely going to favor the bulls, but if there's some kind of sell the news reaction and we get back down to that 96.5 level, that level has to be defeated, pushed through, and we have to head lower if you're a bear. So lots of important questions to be answered. We've got CPI and housing numbers in about 3 minutes. Today's the first day of the Fed meeting, and we'll get the announcement tomorrow. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. Love to have you come on in and take a trial. You can find all that information www.Princetontrader.com. And I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.